frame by frame animation. Now what do we mean by this? When we are trying to draw a picture with separate frames, then it is called frame by frame animation. In this I have discussed this is the stage where you can draw your picture. This is the work area. Downside property section is there. This side tools panel is there, and this side library is there. Property inspector, stage, tools, panel, this is menu bar. When we are using this software, we can draw some images here. This is the stage. Now the size of this stage is variable. This size you can set according to your wish. This may be small or this may be big. If you are considering big stage, it will consume more memory because we are sending these pictures over internet. So it should be small. You can resize the stage size in the property inspector section. After this, when you are drawing any picture, how it will react with the timeline. The timeline may be downside or upside the screen. Here, this is a scale line structure where different rectangular boxes will be there. Every rectangular box will have one line downside, means upside also rectangle and downside also rectangle is there. Let's say example, one rocket I have drawn like this, and in the frame by frame, every time we have to select the frame and we have to give the motion. Now this is by default on the first frame. When you will draw this with the help of tools, first keyframe will be selected. Then select it with the selection tool and give the motion to this rocket, means move the rocket upside. When you will drag your mouse, it will be moved upside. Now again you have to click after 2-3 keyframes and you have to press F6 button. F6 is the shortcut to insert keyframe. Yesterday I have discussed F6 is the shortcut to insert keyframe, F5 is the shortcut to insert blank keyframe, and F8 is used to insert photos in the library. Means you can convert any photo as a symbol. Then press F6 and then again select it and again resize its position. Then again after 2-3 you can select the keyframe by pressing F6 and change its position. Again after 2-3 you can select the keyframe by pressing F6 and change its position. Then after you have to press Ctrl plus Enter. After pressing Ctrl plus Enter, you will see that your rocket is moving from top to bottom of the direction which you have given. So like this way you can use this frame by frame animation. Now theoretically you must be clear that why this is frame by frame animation. Because we are choosing different frames manually according to our wish that what speed we should want to give to this rocket. Now, why there are so many keyframes and why we have left 2-3 in between the keyframes? If you are leaving the keyframes, then it will not smooth. It will move upside, but it will not be smooth. But if you are choosing every keyframe and you are giving very little small directed motion to the rocket or any other picture, then it will be a very smooth movement, and you will find the smoothness in the motion of the rocket. For that you have to spend time, and you have to use your keyboard only to give the motion. You should not use your mouse, because mouse is not stable. When you will move the mouse, it may go here and there. So you have to use your keyboard while giving motion if you are using the single keyframes. Now in the timeline, when keyframe is selected, it will be in red color. That will be very much clearly, it will be shown to you. I will show you. It will be in red color. Red color means the playhead which you have selected, it is now in the working mode. The playhead which is selected, which is in the red color, the photo which you will draw or the motion which you will give, it will be given to that stage only. It will not cover the next stage. Next stage may have different position, may have different motion in this. The keyframe which you have selected, which will hold, it will hold the motion, the photo with the motion. And the blank keyframe, if you want to insert by pressing F5, it will only hold the blank keyframe. Means no photo will be appeared, nothing will come, blank stage will be there, and you can draw if you want to draw anything. Now in this case, we can write any text also. This is the work of tools panel, that you have drawn one rocket. If you don't want to draw the rocket, you can write some text. And with this text also we are giving certain different types of motion or some animations. There are different types of twinning which is present. Frame by frame, shape, twin, motion, twin, shape twin, motion twin, and in this guided twin also. All these are used to give animation to the photo or the